Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about ketosis. Of course, that would be related to Garmin as well, but actually I want to say something about ketosis as most people don't realize that most people actually are in ketosis and have always been in ketosis. They don't have to adapt that much. Adaptation is actually just forcing your body to, let's say, start consuming more fat, which is not necessary to go into ketosis. The first thing I wanted to say is that the wrong approach to your body is when you watch YouTube and all the influencers, all the trainers and online trainers. You think that you can treat your body like a little naive puppy dog that you can train. You can just make it bring something, bark or sit, play dead, which is absolutely not true. Your body and mind body is doing absolutely everything automatically. And it's so smart that if you wanted to control your body, like actually try to control your body, you would die. You would die during the sleep. You would die because if you cut yourself with paper or you wouldn't stop bleeding after accident in the kitchen, you would bleed to death if your body didn't control that. Can you imagine if you had to control your breathing? You're doing something, reading, watching, you wouldn't even go that far. You actually couldn't even learn how to walk if you tried to control your body by yourself. So let's not treat your body like something really stupid, like a machine that you can actually control by pushing buttons and stuff like that. Just let your body do the best because your body's doing everything for you. You just need to tell your body what you want to achieve. That's the best thing you can do. A long time ago, before technology and before science started to dictate what we have to do, people were just observing what works, and how the body functions. They were using the body's natural cycles for benefits. Now we can still do the same. We can use technology like Garmin to help us understand many things. But your body is doing all the work. It's better to learn how to operate your body than to force it to operate according to Garmin readings. Ketosis is the natural state of your body when your body is trying to maintain itself without giving you any official notice. Ketosis is so natural and necessary for your body that you cannot actually avoid it. If you try to do things that hold you back from ketosis, like eating too much sugar or carbs and maintaining high insulin levels, your body will eventually push you to go into ketosis. If you overeat carbs and keep insulin levels high, your body will become sick. Inflammations will pile up, and your body will stop eating and force you into ketosis to heal itself without your permission or help. When you eat a lot of sugar, your body is forced to switch from ketosis, its normal state, to a sugar-dependent state. Ketosis is incredibly good for recovery because it doesn't strain your digestive system or circulation. The body uses stored fat around the liver, stomach, or under the skin as fuel, allowing your heart, brain, and muscles to stay calm and properly fueled. When the body uses fat instead of glucose, it's more efficient, providing more energy per gram. Recovery in ketosis is quicker. For example, after cardio, if you don't eat heavy food, your body goes into recovery mode almost immediately. When relying on glucose, you must frequently supply it throughout the day. Without glucose, your heart and energy levels fluctuate. With ketosis, energy is always accessible like an infinite fuel supply. It's stable, which helps the heart, brain, and overall recovery process. I recommend everyone trying ketosis at least once. Intermittent fasting or skipping meals can help you see how your body feels in ketosis. Since the body naturally enters ketosis during sleep, when fasting for 8 hours, you may already be familiar with the state. Some people like ketosis, others don't. However, the benefits for recovery and energy stability are undeniable. When you're sick, your body naturally suppresses hunger, stopping digestion to focus on recovery. This self-regulating process allows the body to manage everything effectively. Letting your body do its job without interference is often the best thing you can do.